Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and this is Andriy. Today we are going to be doing a newcomer Rumba routine. First we're going to go over all the steps, then we're going to do them with counts, and then later on we'll do them with music. Alrighty guys, let's do the follower steps. We are going to prepare our left foot. We have step to the side with the left and together, together. And step to the side with the right, and we're gonna go into a spot turn, left foot forward and turn, right foot forward and side. From here, we are going into a hand-to-hand. We are going to step back with our right foot, turn and step back, forward and side, and again, a hand-to-hand, turn, step back, forward and side. From here, we are going to go back into that time step, together, together, and side. We're going to go into a basic step, left foot forward, back, and side. From here, we're going to go into a New York, crossing that right foot over, right foot crosses over, and side. And now one more New York, left foot crossing over and stepping to the side. And now we're back to the beginning. Now with counts. Prepare our left foot and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 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 back to the beginning. Now from the back. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, back to the beginning. Now the leader steps. We're going to prepare our right foot to dance. We are going to step to the side and together, together, and now left foot to the side. From here, we have a spot turn. Our right foot is going to come across, turn, and forward with the left and side. From here, we have our hand to hand. We're going to step back with that left, back with the left, forward and side, and back with the right. Again, another hand to hand, forward and side. From here, we go back into that time step, switch and side. We do our basic step back with the right foot and forward and side. From here, New York, crossing that left foot, cross forward, back and side, and crossing the right foot over, another New York cross and back to the beginning. Now with the counts. And 4, 1, 2, and 3, 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 and 4, 1, 2, and back to the beginning. Now the back view. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's do it to music. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.